This fully documented Super Sport features a 450 horsepower LS6 big block, a storied Rock Crusher transmission, and factory Tuxedo Black over black aesthetics. Are you in the market for a documented example of one of the best Chevrolets ever produced? Here it is. Hailing from GM's storied Baltimore manufacturing facility, this stunning LS6 Super Sport shows the results of care and maintenance through the years that draws a steady cadence of compliments and admirers wherever it goes. And the straight and solid profile has been layered in factory Tuxedo Black 2-stage, which is dashed with iconic classic white Super Sport stripes. Decked in correct black vinyl, this Chevelle's fully restored interior is both attractive and inviting. Its slick bucket seats are firm to the touch, showing no signs of detrimental wear and tear. A familiar Super Sport dash anchors optional Deluxe gauges beside a correct Delco AM radio, and a simple Super Sport steering wheel keeps everything pointed straight. Needing no introduction, under the hood is the legendary 454 cubic inch, 450 horse LS6 V8. Backed by a Muncie M22, that Rock Crusher sends power back to a 12-bolt rear with 331 gears. This fully documented coupe is an iconic car which wraps one of the hottest powertrains ever produced in an exceptional color combination. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.